Day 2, virtual day, snow day. I'm recording this on Wednesday, so I'm hoping that it's not too bad outside as you're watching this video looking outside. Okay? We're going to be solving systems and equations with matrices today, enhancing how it's done, doing 2 more examples. Tomorrow in class, if we're at school, we'll do 1 example, and then we'll have formative. Monday will be review, and then Wednesday will be the test day. Okay? So let's solve using matrices. So again, remember from yesterday's video, the first step, tap the brakes, why did that happen? I don't know. I'll try that again. The first thing that we need to do is we need to convert our matrix, or our system, into a matrix equation. So we do that by, we have the coefficients, 2, -1, 1, and 2. We have the variables, x and y. And then we have the numbers, -2 and 14. Then our second step is, now we need to find the inverse of our coefficient matrix. So that is going to be this matrix right here. We need to find the inverse of it. So we need first the determinant of that matrix, and that's going to be 2 times 2 minus 1 times -1. 2 times 2 is 4. 1 times -1 is -1. 4 minus a -1 is like 4 plus 1, which is 5. So the inverse of that is going to be multiplied on the left side, both sides on the left. So we're going to have x, y left on the left side, or the only thing on the left side. Then we're going to have that inverse. So this is going to be 1 over 5. And then we switch, which is pretty easy, and we negate, looks like that. And then that's going to be multiplied by the numbers matrix, which is there. Next up, we do that multiplication. It's going to work out. It will always work out. It will work out to be whatever matrix you have on the left side of your equation. So this is going to be a 2 by 1. So we're going to have 2 times -2 plus 1 times 14. And then we're going to have -1 times -2 plus 2 times 14. Then we're going to do that math. -4 plus 14, 2 plus 28, and 5. Didn't like it up here either. I'm going to redo that one too. OCD kicking in. And then that's going to be 10, 30. Which is going to be x and y equaling 2 and 6. Come on, I knew it was down there somewhere. Last thing that we're going to do is we're going to put it back into the form of our point. So that's going to be 2, 6. And then we're going to check our work. 2 times 2 is 4, minus 6. 4 minus 6 is -2. Checks out. 2 is 2. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 plus 12 is 14. Checks out. There we go. So what I would like you to do now is I would like you to pause the video, do this problem, and then start the video again, and I will have all of the work on there associated with it. Okay? Go for it. Quick spot check. On the second equation, we had to change it up so that it became x, y equals number. So we had to add x to both sides, subtract 3y from both sides, subtract 7 from both sides. So it gets there. That then sets up our matrix equation. Continue solving. Another spot check. The inverse should look like that in purple of the coefficient matrix. So that should be your next step then in solving it. Continue solving. When I solved this equation, I got the point -1, 2, and a quick check tells me that 2 times -1 is -2, plus 2 is 0, that works out, 7 is 7, 3 times 2 is 6, minus -1 is 7, and that is 7. Checks out in the end. Shabam, there we go. Again, I am available from 10 to noon, or from 10 to noon on today at the Google Meet code of Lynn's office. Okay? That information is also on the email that I sent you this morning. Have a good day. Hope to see you tomorrow. Worksheet 24 will be due tomorrow when you come to class. So make sure you get that done. Have a great day.